Hi, good morning. I'm Chara Rosquelio with student number 166535237. So I am a nurse today and I'll be conducting a cardio and respiratory assessment. But first, let's do the 360 inside the room. Okay, let's start. Doing the hand hygiene, checking for any contact precaution, closing the curtains to provide the patient's privacy and dignity. Hi, good morning. I'm Cherry and I'll be your nurse for today. Can you confirm your name and birthday?
Krisha Wu, January 2, 2002.
Okay, thank you, Prisha. As per doctor's order, I'll be conducting a cardiovascular and respiratory assessment. Would that be okay?
Yes.
Okay, before proceeding, I'll have several questions. Do you have any family history of heart failure,
No.
asthma,
No.
diabetes?
No.
Do you have any chest pain,
No.
headache?
No.
Are you taking any medicines?
No.
Do you have any episodes of difficulty of breathing
No.
for the past few days?
No.
Okay, let's proceed with the respiratory assessment. Upon inspection, the rise and fall of the patient's chest is symmetrical. There's no signs of labored breathing, no nasal flaring, no tracheal tagging, and no neck muscle tension noted. I'll be listening to your belt sounds. 6 points on the front and 8 points on the back. Inhale and exhale, please. Okay, the back. Inhale, exhale. Okay, can you do deep breathing for me? One more. Okay, upon auscultation, there's no adventitious sounds, no wheezing, no crackles, no stridor, no rhonchi noted. Lung expansion is symmetrical. There's no sign of lagging and no sign of decreased expansion. I'll be also listening to your heart rate. Apical pulse is located on the fifth intercostal space, left mid-clavicular line. I'll be counting it for 30 seconds and I'll proceed with the respiratory rate for another 30 seconds. Okay, heart rate is 76 beats per minute with the normal limits, regular, and no signs of no extra sounds and no murmurs noted. Respiratory rate is 14 breaths per minute with the normal limits. So I'll be proceeding with your extremity. Let's begin with the upper. Color is appropriate for the patient's ethnicity. It's warm to touch. Do you feel this?
Yes.
Sensation is intact. There's a presence of tattoo, no bruises, no lesions, no scars noted. I'll be checking for the radial pulse. It's located in the proximal of the wrist. It's 2+, normal and strong, both bilaterally. I'll be checking also for the capillary refill is less than 3 seconds. Can you lift your right arm, left arm? Movement is okay. Can you push against the resistance? Resistance is 5+, both equal and bilateral. And can you squeeze my hand? One more. Hand grip is 5+, both equal and bilateral. Can you lie down and we'll proceed with the lower extremity. Color is appropriate for the patient's ethnicity. It's warm to touch. Do you feel this?
Yes.
Sensation is normal. There's no signs of bruises, no lesions, no edema. Cuff size is intact, both symmetrical and equal bilateral. And capillary refill is less than 3 seconds. I'll be also doing the apidal pulses, starting with the dorsalis pedis is located on the anterior aspect of the foot, lateral to the extensor tendon of the big toe, and posterior tibialis is located on the medial posterior malleolus. Both pedal pulses are 2+, strong and normal bilaterally. And can you lift your right leg, left leg? Okay, movement is okay. And can you point your toes towards your nose? That's dorsiflexion and downwards. And it's plantar flexion. Lower extremity resistance is 5+, both equal and bilateral. And that concludes my respiratory and cardio assessment. Let's do the 360.